What's up, tech lovers? And this is the place where innovation and imagination collide. Whether it's AI creating art, robots reshaping industries, or the latest tech gadgets that are totally blowing our minds, this channel is your. From artificial intelligence to robotics, automation to immersive VR experiences. This is where we break down the latest advancements in technology and how they're revolutionizing industries across the globe. We'll be exploring how AI is everywhere, from the self-learning algorithms that power your social media feeds to the machines that are helping doctors make life-saving decisions. But it's not all about data and code. We're also looking at how technology is inspiring some of the most mind-blowing pieces of art, music, and design. Imagine AI creating paintings, composing symphonies, or even building entire virtual worlds, all using data and creativity to push boundaries in ways we never thought possible. We'll not only talk about what these technologies are, but also how they work, and what they mean for your life, your career, and your future. I'm here to give you the inside scoop on the technologies you need to know about and how AI will transform everything from the way we interact with machines to how we express ourselves through art. And hey, if you're curious about how you can use these tools yourself, we've got you covered with tutorials, tips, and reviews on the best AI-driven software, gadgets, and platforms out there. On this channel, we'll dive into the real-world applications of artificial intelligence, learn how AI is being used to fight climate change, create personalized healthcare plans, or even assist in building the next generation of immersive video games. We'll also break down some of the toughest topics in tech and AI, whether it's machine learning, neural networks, or the ethics of artificial intelligence. My mission? To make even the most complicated subjects fun, understandable, and accessible. And this is just the beginning. Every day, new AI technologies are reshaping our world. The next big thing could be the next video you watch here, and I want you to be a part of that journey. I want to hear from you too. What aspects of AI or tech do you want us to explore? Drop your questions, thoughts, and ideas in the comments section below. And if you're as passionate about the future of technology as we are, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you never miss out on the latest news, trends, and tutorials. Stay connected and keep the conversation going across our social media channels, because at Channel Name, we're not just exploring the future, we're shaping it. Music fades out as the screen fades to black, leaving the logo and social media links on the screen for a few seconds. Welcome to the future, right here, right now. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of cutting-edge technology, explore the world of artificial intelligence, and discover how these innovations are changing everything, you've come to the right place. Hey, what's up, tech lovers? I'm your name, and this is the place where innovation and imagination collide. Whether it's AI creating art, robots reshaping industries, or the latest tech gadgets that are totally blowing our minds, this channel is your get ready for mind-blowing tech reviews. Bye-bye.